there's a challenge here. Write a function called compute product of all elements given an array of numbers, and the function must return the products of all elements in a given array. If the given array is empty, return 0, sorry. Alright, that's the call. Let's write a function. Takes an array, and then let's do reduce, takes callback function, and then we can initialize the value. This looks like this. Let me explain. ACC is accumulator, and each element inside this passed array. So ACC looks like this. You can understand ACC as 0. If we put here array, then this becomes array. So we don't want array, we want the value. Alright, so ACC equals ACC multiplied by each element, right? So ACC 0 multiplies the first array, which is 2. Oh wait, look, that's very interesting. If you put 0 here, then the return will be 0, because ACC keeps multiplying each time 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So what we can do here is, let's see, very interesting. Let's put 1. So here this becomes 1, 1 multiplied by 2 becomes 2, 2 multiplied by 5 becomes 10, 10 multiplied by 6 becomes 6. That's the total, product. All right. Let's test it. There you go. The answer is 60. And then one condition here. It says if the array is empty, return 0. So let's say this is an empty array. So this will give us what? Let's see. So you see, if this was an empty, it gives us 1. Gives us 1, but let's add some condition. If let me see, if array dot length, if array dot length equals 0, simply return 0, right? That's a better one. Excuse me. Else do this. Test it. Gosh, excuse me. To remove this, otherwise it's not working. Alright, that works. Thank you so much.